Welcome to Doony Kids.
Hello. Today we will learn English alphabets. A to Z. There are 26 letters in English alphabets. A to Z. Now let's start. A. A for apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. B. B for ball. B-A-L-L. Ball. C. C for cat. C-A-T. Cat. D. D for dog. D-O-G. Dog. E. E for elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. F. F for flowers. F-L-O-W-E-R-S. Flowers. G. G for giraffe. G-I-R-A-F-F-E. Giraffe. H. H for helicopter. H-E-L-I-C-O-P-T-E-R. Helicopter. I. I for ice cream. I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M. Ice cream. J. J for jackal. J-A-C-K-L-E. Jackal. K. K for kangaroo. K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O. Kangaroo. L. L for lamb. L-A-M-P. Lamb. M. M for mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. N. N for nest. N-E-S-T. Nest. O. O for owl. O-W-L. Owl. P. P for parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. Q. Q for queen. Q-U-E-E-N. Queen. R. R for rainbow. R-A-I-N-B-O-W. Rainbow. S. S for sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. T. T for tiger. Tiger, tiger. U for umbrella. UMBRELLA, umbrella. V for van. VAN, van. W for whale. WHALE, whale. X for xylophone. XYLOPHONE, xylophone. Y for yak. YAK, yak. Z for zebra. ZEBRA, zebra. Now say with me all together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.